I'm up here. Oh, I messed it up, Colin.
I'm down here at Jamie's house today with CT1. Jamie's a massive fan of the products and he's doing all his own renovations. Fair play to him. So I'm just going to show him the right products for the jobs. So, Jamie, what sort of job do you want to do first?
I want to do that kitchen in behind it. Is absolutely frying my head.
Right, so grab the multi-solve and grab the BT1. Let's show you how to do it. First thing we're going to have to do is remove this. You can do that job.
Yep, sweet.
As you can see, the multi-solve is starting to peel away. You're going to remove the rest of the access to this tool. Jamie has successfully removed the old sealant with multi-solve. You just need to bleach this area down to get rid of any mold or bacteria in the room. Good job, Jamie, yeah?
Yeah, I'm in a predicament here. Which product I should use, the BT1 or the CT1?
You could use both products for sealing this. I would personally go with BT1. It's proven to reduce bacteria by up to 99.99%. And most importantly for you guys, it's no mold and fungal growth.
That's the one.
No. Don't lick your finger. Don't put bacteria on the fresh sealant. Use multi-solve as a finisher and use this tool to get that perfect finish. Not bad, Jamie, son. What's the next job?
I've actually got a panelling upstairs that needs completed, so I just wonder what products we're
Panelling, right. We'll go with CT1 or Paragram 1. Let's see which one's going to suit. What's this?
Look, Collie, I'm not joking. I've actually made my own paneling here, and the query is what they're sticking up with.
You're sticking up that wall?
Yeah.
And you don't want to use any fixings?
Nope.
Right. CT1 and Paragraph are both approved for all panel application. Vertical bonding, I'll use Paragraph 1 for this one. There you go.
Fine. Let's go. Oh, I messed it up, Collie.
You've hit too much on it. See the next one? Just a wee tiny blob. 1, 2, 3. That's all it requires. Super strong adhesive.
Was that easy fixed then? See the way that's coming out?
Yeah, we'll wipe that off.
Okay.
That's you.
Oh. Collie! Collie! Come here, quick!
What's up?
Oh, severely corroded here, Collie.
Right, don't worry. With Paragraph 1, you've got about 25-30 minutes to adjust. Just gonna see. Jamie, that's a mess.
Yeah, the missus isn't going to be too pleased. What do you think for the next panel, what we use?
Right, see, for putting your next panel up, use CT1 Clear. It's completely transparent and she'll not see it.
Happy wife, happy life.
Not bad, Jamie, son. You like that CT1 Clear?
Oh, it's cracker.
Right, I'm going to pack the tools up, that's us finished.
No, I've one more job here. I need to get the multi-solve, I need to get the BT1.
Oh, no.
The bathroom, we need a bathroom in here. Then we'll go to the pub.
Right, okay. Right, your multi-solve or BT1?
Good man. One more thing, need the bleach.
What's going on here, Jamie?
Yes, Collie's just filmed the bath. I've seen one of your videos there on YouTube. It was to help movement for when the product's curing.
Good job, Jamie. Right, enough work done for one day.
Let's go to the pub.
Okay, I'll do.
First round's on me.